जितनी ज्यादा साफ सफाई उतने ज्यादा डॉग बाइट्स. What is the subject matter of this PIL?
So there are close to 40,000 dog bite in Indore city in last year, and the number is keep on growing. And
I was just thinking, कुछ ना कुछ action तो लेना पड़ेगा. Nowadays it is on rise. You must have heard 2-3 days back.
Yes, sir.
These small kids came out of the car and immediately the dog attacked them.
Absolutely.
तीनों को काट दिया.
Absolutely.
और कई केसेस में डेथ भी हुई.
Yes, sir. So it's all because of the lack of awareness.
That's what the data we are collecting, that how much
Really, I think our officers need to be here first, and we'll explain them what is to be considered and what action plan you are taking to remove this menace of dog bite in the city of Indore.
the corporation is taking steps.
ये ऐसा taking steps नहीं होता है. आप देखिए, nobody can freely roam in the city. वॉकिंग भी नहीं कर सकते आप. ये कंडीशन आप रेसिडेंसी कोठी के अंदर जाके देखिए, उसके अंदर में कम से कम 50 डॉग घूम रहे हैं आज के डेट में. We never know कब किसको काट देगा. And you know what is the reason for increase in dog bites? Are you aware of that?
We have initiated the campaigns through NGOs. Sterilization process is continued.
You have to take concrete steps. They have to be cordoned off somewhere else. ले जाके वहाँ उनको बाहर रखना पड़ेगा आपको. वहीं पे फिर स्टेरिलाइजेशन वगैरह होगा, सब होगा.
So the sterilization program is not at all continuous. As per the Supreme Court directives, money should not be the reason that they should stop sterilization program. And it has been like every on and off they lose the program. In fact, the High Court has directed in 2019 to create awareness for sterilization. They have not even created the awareness to the common man. Common man doesn't even know what is sterilization, sir. And this problem, I must say, sir, right now that this problem cannot be alone be solved by one specific body. You know, it has to be the participation of 40 lakh people. It has to be Jan Bhagidari, because alone a body cannot do anything, sir. We will be at failure again. So there has to be a public awareness, and people must be encouraged and motivated towards participation, because this is a public problem, and the dog and the public needs to learn to live with each other.
This is a very serious issue.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have been, appealing and giving letters to the authorities for the past 3 years non-stop with all the solutions, sir.
Previous orders also passed by this honorable court, madam. That is WP number 13735.
That we'll see.
Yes, madam. All these
are concerned with the current provision.
Yes. All these we place on record along with the, madam, I have collected the data that how much dog catching vans have been.
What are your suggestions?
Sir, my suggestion.
Have you pointed out in the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is that? Page number? This point the reports of no.
But first of all, I would like to walk you through on page number 163.
नहीं 163 पे फिर annexure पे आ गया था.
This is some chart.
Yes, sir, it's a chart. It will give you a glimpse of what is going on. This is the chart, sir. So basically, we are only working on one problem with the local authorities right now, which is that they are saying that they are doing sterilization. But there are two problems in our country, sir. There is dog.
Give us the क्या करना है? What steps have to be taken
Yes.
to
So
eradicate this problem?
yes, sir, because so far local authorities are only working on sterilization of street dogs.
So what is your suggestion apart from that sterilization? What requires to be done?
Basically, they
Page number 34 of the reputation there.
So we can call the officers and
yes, sir, and
ask them to take action in line. जो भी हम डिसाइड करेंगे उसके लाइन पे वो करके रिपोर्ट सबमिट करें. Page number 37.
34 of the reputation.
so the people must be educated. The behavior of the dog. People, only those who are dog lovers, they know what is the problem, how to deal with it. But a common man who's not close to the animal needs to be taught. What is this animal? What is his nature? What he wants? How to behave with it? What is the body language?
What are the authorities supposed to do?
So they are supposed to create awareness.
जो conditions हैं ये citizens के लिए.
They are supposed to educate. Yes, sir.
या तो काटेगा या फिर छोड़ देगा, दो में से एक होगा.
They're supposed to educate.
जो दौड़ते दौड़ते अगर आप खड़े हो गए तो वो भी रुक जाते
Sir, that is the behavior.
हैं. Don't stop. They still bite. Still bite.
Sir, in order to solve, this is a nation problem, right, sir? So if we have to solve the problem, we must.
We are really serious.
Yes.
Everybody is facing this problem.
Yes, sir.
Even in our High Court also, some advocates have been attacked by
Sir,
dogs.
even in the High Court, there are.
If I'm not wrong.
Sir, even in the High Court, there are not.
कमिश्नर को बुला के पूरा इंस्ट्रक्टर को पकड़ के ले गए यहाँ से थोड़े बहुत. अभी भी होंगे, घूम रहे होंगे.
Sir, even in the.
अंदर.
Sir, in the High Court, they have not even sterilized the dogs sitting here. Even the dogs sitting here are.
They are special category. हाई कोर्ट में बैठने वाले डॉग्स हैं वो. काफी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है सब.
Sir, the sterilization program needs to be a robust program. And I believe that just like there is a Udyan Vibhag, they should make a dog department which is working on two problems, sterilization and bite. And all the problem can be solved by public awareness, just like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
This is handled by the health department of the corporation.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. ये तो चल रहा है, इसके तरफ कोई ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है. So we have to monitor now. From day to day, every hearing, 10 days, 15 days, what action we have taken, then only something concrete will happen. Otherwise, ये तो चलते रहेगा. रिप्लाई देना है, देख लिया, इतने कुत्ते बंद कर दिए फलाना, उससे क्या होगा? The problem is going to. अभी आप देखिए पूरे रोज डेली डॉग बाइट्स के केसेस
Reflected in newspapers also.
एंड फिगर अभी लास्ट वीक एक फिगर भी आया था कि 2023 में अराउंड मोर देन 40,000 डॉग बाइट्स. So the graph should increase every year. There is no decrease.
Sir, because जो number of dogs का sterilization हमें शुरू में करना था, वो हम अभी कर रहे हैं. ये ग्राफ बता रहा है कि 10,000 dogs का हमने just.
So therefore some concrete plan has to be
Yes, sir.
devised and directions on that line will have to be issued and then monitored. Ki what is the progress?
Absolutely.
Then only at point of time we will see that this problem is not over, but to some extent it is.
Some control it.
Control.
Yes.
You have 10 days time will kindly be granted for replies. In that reply, we also have with the.
अभी हम डिटेल ऑर्डर पास करेंगे. You have to come out with.
Yes, yes.
हाँ, उसमें क्या करना है?
Individual PIL मतलब
ये सजेस्ट करें ना, क्या कर सकती है? ये तो अलग चीज है ये.
All the solutions are given on P10. It was given to them by registered speed post 2 times in October 2023 and February 2024.
What are the directions of the Supreme Court in respect of dog bites? कुछ डायरेक्शन होंगे ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट के.
So they have given the 5 freedoms.
You should point out कि इस लाइन से इनको सजेस्ट करें आप.
Sir, उसी लाइन में suggestion करा. Sir, freedom.
5 years of time to examine everything.
Sir, I have given those solutions: freedom from hunger, freedom from thirst, freedom from thermal discomfort. These are the things that Supreme Court have already said in the orders previously.
इनको खाना नहीं मिल रहा है इसलिए तो काट रहे हैं ये.
Yes, sir.
और स्वच्छ हो गया आपका. 7वें साल में कुछ इनको कुछ मिलता नहीं है, घूम फिर के आदमी को काटते हैं. अभी आप कचरा डाल दीजिए, खाना डालिए तो आपको काटना बंद कर देंगे. दैट इज द मेन रीजन, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
You are right, sir.
जितनी ज्यादा साफ सफाई उतने ज्यादा डॉग बाइट्स. ठीक है, we'll pass some order. We'll grant you time also, but we'll lay down certain criteria कि इस पे हमको जवाब चाहिए और फिर उसको हम मॉनिटर करेंगे. And we'll call your officers also, so that they must be aware कि कोर्ट क्या चाहती है और इसके ऊपर एक्शन आपको लेना है. अगर आप अभी जाके बताओगे तो they will not take any action.